Okay, so I am currently helping someone, one of our members, set up their booking form, and I decided to take this on so I could show a quick way to set up the booking form. It's super fast, using the content from your website, as well as this member's coming over from Square. They were using Square Appointments, and they're merging everything over into OrbisX so they can start running their business and experiencing growth and automation the right way. So I'm helping them set up their booking form. So we're starting off with a plain booking form here. There's nothing really added to it, just the main services from when they signed up. Nothing's even enabled on the booking form, but I'll be going through that and showing you the start to finish product of how things get set up. They've got a menu on their website with the different services that they offer, and we'll be going through and, oops, I don't know why that went to About Us, but I'll go back to detailing. We're going to go through and basically take all of their packages, the pricing, the descriptions, everything like that, and we'll plug it into the booking form, and I'll show you how this is done. The video itself will probably be about 30 minutes, but I'm going to speed it up, or maybe just leave it, and then you can fast forward as needed. And so essentially what we're going to do is we're going to take this horrific looking Square booking form, and we're going to convert that into something that's a lot more user-friendly and designed for conversion rates, so that you can get more bookings and more booking requests. All right, so diving in, this person works on passenger vehicles, and they do mobile appointments, so just we'll save as we go kind of thing. And I'm just going to breeze through quick. I'm not going to go through and explain what settings are, because they're self-explanatory when you read them, like mobile settings, ask if water is available, so on and so forth. So these are probably going to be important things that they might want to know. So I'm not going to explain things per se, because they are pretty spelled out, and there's a full video covering all the things. I'm just going to show how you can quickly set up your booking form using content from your website, and basically just get going right away. Alrighty, so we'll pull up a preview as well. So we'll be able to see a preview as we go. So you can see there's no packages enabled, but here's the options we just turned on. And then it asks for the address, of course. But so we're going to breeze through this and get this form set up and looking pretty as well. All right. And at the moment, I don't know what their limitations are for days of the week, stuff like that. So I'm just leaving it book anytime, and then they'll be able to go in and adjust those, because I'm not sure if they want it limited by staff member or if they want it limited by dates and times. That's one of the components that they're going to need to figure out once they... I could do. Yeah, we'll do something. We'll do... what are their hours? 8 to 8. 8 to 8, close Sunday. So 8 to 8 every day, close Sunday. Okay. So they are open Saturdays as well. And we'll just say time slots with no appointments. Okay, save. Now let's go down here. Let's change the hours. They're closed. Oops, closed Sunday, so I don't forget. They've got really good hours. I like that. They make themselves available. Absolutely. Okay. Save. Alright, perfect. Now, we're going to start with... I started here on ceramic coating, so we might as well keep going with ceramic coating. So we're going to need to add a photo, and they did have some pictures. Update service. I forgot, I got to add a description too. Alright, so ceramic coating. what do they have listed here? So they have a level 1 coating. Okay. So what we're going to do, actually, let's copy this whole description, paste that there. Now for packages, let's close that for now. Level 1 coating. And coupe 700. So let's save package. So now I've got my package. Cool. Location. Vehicles. Limitations. What's the base cost? Of 700. They don't say how long this takes them. Maybe under square. Okay, so ceramic coating, 6 year, 2-3. They don't seem to have. This says level 1 here. Here it does not say level 1 anywhere. Well, either way, they're all set to 24 hours, so we'll just say this is going to take them a full work day. And their hours are actually longer, so there we go. And then we have coupe, and I think that one was 700. You know what? We're going to put this to 10. I think it was 700. Yep. Okay. Add variation. The next one is sedan. We're at 900. And then we're at pickup 1100. Perfect. So we've got those there. Beautiful. What we're going to do is just rearrange them. I think that's how they had it. Yep, pick up. Okay, perfect. Save. Beautiful. And something that might be handy to know is the level of paint correction. So we'll do the same thing here. Variables, paint correction levels. Okay, so now okay, we've got our service, we've got our different coating levels. Okay, perfect. So we've got those. But now, let's get rid of this box. Okay, show my coating, add checkbox. Oops, helps when you save. Okay, good, the box is gone. There does seem to be a gap. And there is. Okay, let me see. He's got some weird code that copied over from his website. Okay. Just want to make sure I do one of them really well, and then I can copy the same type of thing from the others. Okay, good stuff. Okay, and his color scheme, let's just pretty it up a bit first. Let's go font color. Let's do display logo. There we go, boom. Okay. $1,200. Just grabbing some coffee. Alright. I featured this one because here it says most popular. Level 4 coding. Copy. I took off the featured because it does rearrange them. It puts the featured ones first because they're featured. But when you label things like level 1, level 2, stuff like that, it doesn't make sense. You got to have it go in sequential order. Typically, if these were named differently, like for example, this one here, level 4 coding. And I mean, hey, call your packages whatever you want. But in this case, level 4 coding, lifetime. I would personally, just marketing-wise, I would rename this. I'd be like lifetime coding and protection or something like that. And then I would actually put the level 4 kind of like after it or in brackets or something. Even that, I would actually rather just highlight something else like lifetime, ceramic nano coating or something, But that's just me. But people do things in many different ways. All right. Edit. Paste. Update. Edit. Level 3. Paste, update. This was number 2. Paste, update, and then we have level 1. And now, opening these, there we go. I've got my level 1. It's got some stuff. Level 2, got some stuff. Level 3, got some stuff. Level 4, same thing. So that's good to go. Now, and of course, colors and stuff, I don't know. Maybe they'll want to change them. Not entirely sure, but let me see. Ceramic coating image. I'm just going to grab a random image for now, because his website images aren't loading for some reason. So I convert it. You know what? We will convert it. That's what we will do. Okay, so I've got my ceramic coating one done. Now, that's strange. They did select tinting when they signed up, but I don't see tinting on their website. But we do have other things, of course. Like there's headlight restoration, but when they signed up, that wasn't an option. So yeah, we'll start with detailing. That's one of their larger ones anyways. So mobile appointments only. Vehicles, passenger, yes, good. Limitations. Boom, 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 boom. And time slots with no appointments. Okay, let's hide the checkbox because this one's going to have some stuff as well. Detailing mess level, extra info. Money and time. What is your smallest detailing package? And let's copy this. Might as well save that temporarily. Boom. Upload. And what do we have here? We have starting at 125. Money and time. 125. Show starting at. Well, what's the time on that? Does not say. It needs 30 basics 30 detail, so 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes, beautiful. Save that for now. Okay. And then I think, because he does have different ones. Okay, so we do have to make different packages. Okay, so copy. Add package. Sturdy basic, and we'll go to detailing. This one starts at 125. Show starting at 1 hour 30 minutes. Package details. Paste. Save. There we go. Enable locations, mobile, vehicles, passenger, limitations, dates and times. Time slots with no appointments. Variables. Let's add the detailing ones. Money and time. Okay, so starting at 125, good. Now we need car is 125. SUV 150. Large truck 175. Alright, let's just put large truck as the last one. Okay, save. Good stuff. And now, we refresh. We should see. We've got our detailing, perfect. We've got our first package in, perfect. I'm going to get rid of this space that's here. Edit. See, once again, he's got this weird code. It's one downside when you copy from a website is sometimes there's extra code that you have to get rid of. Okay, perfect. That should be good now. Yep, there we go. Beautiful. All right, now let's get the rest of his packages in there. So let's go down here. Copy. What's the next one you got for me? Okay. See, in this case, recommended, we could put full sturdy detail interior focus. There's no thing that signifies that's, you know, a level 1, level 2. Like, it doesn't, it's not something that should be in order like that. 225, 225, show starting at, yes. Description. Copy, paste, okay, boom. And for this one now, we will make that featured. Okay, and then limitations, we did those. Money and time, we did not do those. Okay, so 225, 250, 275. 250 and 275. Save. Okay. Let's just refresh, make sure it's all there. Perfect, we got both of them there. This one featured as we put it. Fantastic. Now let's go back down to our packages. And so let's copy this one, which was the new one we made, which is featured. And we're going to scroll down here. What do we got? Sturdy interior plus shampoo. Edit. Boom. Let's copy this. Copy. Paste. Starting at 175. 175. Okay. Good, good. Let's enable it. Vehicles. Locations. Yeah, everything else is the same. So then this one starts at 175. Good. So we have 175. 200, 225. Whoa, wait. Third row. Oh, see, this one they changed it. Car. That was SUV still. 200. 200. And then instead of large truck, they have third row 225. Third row 225. Save. Okay. And I think I have to change something in this one. Money and time starting 225. Oh, that's correct. Maybe it was this one. 125, 125. No, that's perfect. Alright, so this one starts at 175. Good. That's all done. Okay, let's copy this one. Let's make that not featured. Because we only want this one featured. So, oops. Let's go edit. What's the next one? Okay. And let's just update that. Hold on a second. And you know what? So I don't get confused here. Exterior value. It's easy to get confused when they're not your packages because you're not sure what you're looking for. And you're like, is this like at my shop, for example? I would know exactly what's what because there are packages. But I'm dealing with someone else's labeling and all kinds of stuff. Let me copy this first. Edit. Don't want to forget. Money and time. What are we working with? Car 175, SUV 200, and he's back to large truck. Okay, so 200. So car, SUV, and large truck. And how's the pricing go? 175, 200, 225. Beautiful. Save. Enable. Okay. Now we're on to, I think, the second last one. Copy. Edit. Paste. Let's copy this description. Copy. What's the starting price for this? 300. Update. Just make sure everything's set the way we want it. Good. Money and time. Okay, so this one we have car, SUV, large truck. Okay. 300, 325, 350. Save, enable. We'll copy that one. Edit. And we've got showroom. Is that the last one? Okay, that's our last one. So showroom. Showroom. Car, SUV, large truck. Okay, cool. And starting at 600. Copy. 600. Update. Money and time. Car, SUV, large truck. 650, 700. Okay. 650, 700. Save. Enable. Beautiful. Save. Refresh. So we've got our featured one that we put, and then we've got all the other ones that we put as well. And if we want these to be in a certain order and not alphabetical, really simple for us to just move them around. So what is the order we want these? Showroom is at the end. So let's move showroom down at the end. And then it defaults to alphabetical, of course. Oops, here. Showroom. Then it's full sturdy detail exterior focus. Okay. Full sturdy detail exterior focus. It's this one. Okay. Then sturdy exterior Iron X. Okay, so Iron X. Iron X. What's next? Interior plus shampoo. Okay, good. And then we have this one, but we want that one featured. And then we have basic. So, yeah, basic and then the featured one. Beautiful. Okay. And then, what else is next? So that's detailing. Ceramic coating we did. Paint restoration. Do we have packages here? We do not. Okay. And then we will go to headlight restoration. And there's no packages there as well. So maybe there's something on square. Let's see. Ceramic coating. Headlight restoration. Okay, $100, 1 hour. If I click this, let's get a description and so on and so forth. Dun, dun, dun. So let's go add service. Headlight restoration, $100. And copy. And let's just change this to, instead of does, do your headlights appear. Okay. Perfect. Save. And yeah, that's good. Enable. Okay. Locations, mobile, vehicles. Okay, that's correct. Limitations. See, the cool thing is it takes a little bit of setup, but once it's set up, you don't have to modify things much, which is cool. He has it set to 1 hour, I think. 1 hour, yep. And so you do things once, and like, man, this is your business. It's your money. Like, why wouldn't you want to set this stuff up? I wish when I started my first companies, I had tools like this. Okay, so we've got our headlight restoration. Good. Tinting, I'm going to delete that for now because I don't see anything on his website about it. Same thing with PPF and vinyl wraps. But there is his paint correction service. Let me see if I can find any info on it here. So far, nothing in his Stripe account. No, he does have this though, which isn't price varies, fleet buses. He doesn't have any info on that. So there's nothing on here about paint correction as a standalone service. Unless I missed it. Does not seem to be here. Okay, so we will just close that out there, I guess. So we've got his ceramic coating, detailing, and headlight restoration. And let's put the detailing at the forefront, and that should be good. So then we're going to refresh, and we can see now, so we've got our, our logo, we've got our contact detail section, tell us about your vehicle, and then services and packages. This is where he's got, detailing, and then they can view the detailing packages. Ceramic coating, they can view the ceramic coating packages, and then we have the headlight restoration. I'm going to go in and fix the HTML because it looks like copying from Square did something. Edit. Yep, see, look, good old Square. Okay, and let me refresh. Okay, perfect. Now, what we could do is we could make this a little snazzier. Let me see if I can grab his, don't seem to have his logo. Save image, save. What I'm trying to do is get the exact color code. This is more advanced stuff, obviously. Like, copy. So what I want to do is take that exact color code, and that's what we're going to use. So it's directly from this logo. Okay, perfect. Good stuff. And I might have, yeah. There we go. Boom. Put a little background image. Refresh. There we go. Okay, made it a little more snazzy, which is good. And then if we want, we can highlight these differently. That's what we could do for that. Let me go to background color, and let's make the font color white. Okay, and let's save, refresh, and there we go. Now his packages have a little, button on top, makes them look a little bit nicer. And we can do some other cool stuff to the form just while we're here. Might as well take a couple more minutes maybe. Let's close this. Let's open this, and so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's drag those over. So these are from his website, but this way he's got ceramic coating. Oops. Export. Okay. Because for some reason the images on his website, when uploading them, it was giving a problem. Not sure why, but okay. Upload image, desktop, and we want headlight restoration. That's what I'm doing. Upload, edit, ceramic coating. I'll show you what this does once we're done. Okay, detailing. I think it's this one. Nope. Oops. There we go. Alright, now refresh. There we go. We got some images, pretty cool stuff. Oh, yeah. And there's other things you can do too, like for each of the packages. Or here, we'll do something for his ceramic coating, for example. So let's go back to his website. Let's go ceramic coating. Scroll all the way down. I thought he had some more stuff here. Okay, for example, we'll just grab this image. Save. Oh, it's black and white. Okay, let's close all these. Let's go. Oh, fail on the typo. Hey. Let's see, I don't necessarily want to show the particular one they're going to get. Dun, dun. Let me see. That's cool. Let's go. So here for these, we can go. Oh, I don't know if that file format's going to work. Ceramic coating. No, it did not like that file format. That's okay. You can pull that in. I think that's the one. Yep. Just adding this to all four of them. Alright, we've got, there we go. And now the fourth, level 4. Alright, and this is mostly just to show you what you can make the form look like, should you want to. Refresh. So ceramic coating packages, so now, of course, get your own images, make sure they're licensed, and so on and so forth. This is going to be completely changed as far as the images and things like, the time required for certain things. I still have to go through this with the member, but just showing you stuff you can do. Because then other things you could do is like vehicle size images. Let's see if we can find something. Or just even coupe PNG. Oh, jeez. Alright, so for example, let's try and find stuff we'll be able to find across the board. So we'll take this one here. Boom. And let's just edit the level 1 so you can see what it would look like. We'll go to money and time, scroll down, and here we've got our different variations, which are set up as vehicle types in this scenario. So we'll change this first one here. Where is that car? There we go. Boom. And then now we need sedan, pickup. Oh, don't tell me. It's got 4 doors. Of course it does. Alright, so let's go back. We'll set that one for this one. So we'll go sedan. Perfect. And then now let's find a 2-door. But ideally something that's similar as that layout. Dun, dun. Well, first off, SUV. We know we're going to need an SUV. SUV. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Now, line truck. Because we want it to match. It's gray. I mean, worst case, we're grabbing that one. There we go. Boom. Boom. Okay, we go back, and we need to change the coupe first. So we'll go to coupe. There we go. And this one's SUV. There we go. And truck. And I'll show you what this is going to look like on the booking form itself. So there we go. We've got the truck. Save. Alright, let's just save everything just to make sure. And then refresh. And so now if we go to our ceramic coating and then level 1, you'll see what we have now is we have the main image for that package, description stuff, and then we have the different vehicles. Now obviously get your own images, of course. These were just grabbed off Google. You got to get your own images, of course, for proper licensing. But this will help. It's a start. And then at the same time, it just shows you visually what you can do on a booking form. And then the advantage with getting your own images too is you can make sure they're all the same size and stuff like that, so things line up properly. So I highly recommend that. But yeah, basically this is start to finish essentially, just kind of walking you through how fast it is to set up. And like, look, we're at 42 minutes, and I had a big intro and I had having a big outro. And so essentially, in one weekend, you could literally have this all set up the way you want it. And this is me just kind of guessing, because this isn't my business. My business, we've already set up our booking form for our shop. Like, we're good. This is someone else's business that I don't fully understand their packages or their offerings to the same degree that they would understand their own. So it'll take you less time because you know your stuff, and it's just about putting in the data, and then once it's in, it's a piece of cake. And if you ever have to adjust pricing or something like that, it's super simple to do. And once your info is in the system, you can just go in and change anything. Like, oh, my level 1 coating now costs something else. Okay, great. Go change the current price. You can go down here and you can edit these as well, save, and then you're done. You're back on with your day. So it's really, really simple and straightforward to do. And so that's where there's no excuses. It's highly recommended. I'm going to go and set up the last thing, which is the upsells, and we'll get that going. And yeah, anyway, so this is just a quick video, how to set up your booking form. You can do a lot of other things, of course, like you can set up deposits, all that kind of stuff. But, this account, I'm not sure what they want to do for deposits and so on and so forth, so I can't just make those decisions. But this will get them a good start, and then they can take the reins and take over from here. But anyway, good stuff. Talk soon.